Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool mix right here, and basically what this is a cordless vacuum cleaner, and it's from the brand called Vaclife. If you can see, it actually looks really cool because it's a blue color, and I love the color blue, which is perfect. If you can see, I'll start right here to give you guys instruction on how to actually maintain the product and how to use it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this instruction manual to teach you guys how to maintain it and how to use it. And then right underneath that, you guys can see there's a bunch of stuff right here. So the first thing you see inside, they do provide a little bag that you can use to carry the product and accessory if you guys want to. And then right underneath that is all the different parts right here, if you can see. So I'm going to take everything out and show you guys what's actually included inside first. So first thing you see inside, they do provide a little brush option that you can use this on like carpets or like places you just want to reach on like a table or something, which is pretty nice. Next one right here. This one you guys can basically use it for like corners or hard to reach area like cracks. Next to right here, they provide this accessory that you can use to clean up the product or something if you guys want to. And they give you guys an option right here, like a little cutter. And right here is the middle part, which is a little pole or stick. When you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice and very smooth if you guys can hear. But I definitely love that blue color right here. It definitely looks very nice. And the cool thing about this stick is the fact that if you guys push this button right here, you guys actually extend it, which is pretty awesome. If you guys push it again, you guys can bring it back in. Alright, so right here they provide you guys an extra filter that you can use to replace it once you guys finish using the other one, or if the other one goes bad. So that's really cool how they provide you guys this. Next up right here is the bottom part of the vacuum. If you guys can see, this is basically what it looks like. Definitely really cool how it's rotatable, so you can go left and right, up and down. And the cool thing about this one is the fact that you guys actually lock it in like this, so that way it actually stands up. So that's actually really cool as well. So they have this little symbol right here to tell you guys where you can put your feet on here and pull it back like this to open it back up. So you basically want to put the stick on here and then the top part on top, which I'll show you guys what it actually looks like in a second. In the bottom, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So right here in the bottom is basically where actually will suck up all of your pet hair and dust and everything inside, and it goes through like the stick and the pole into the vacuum, into the dustbin. And then for this part right here, it is removable. So if you guys want to take it out, and you guys want to take it out, just like that. And now you actually clean this part right here. And then once you guys finish cleaning it, you guys can let it air dry and put it back inside right here. And then snap it back in. And it's all set. So definitely really cool how I give you guys the option to clean it if you guys do need to. And I really like this option as well, where you can go up and down and left and right as well if you guys need to. So that way you can actually reach like hard to reach places like underneath your bed or your sofa or whatever, which is pretty cool. And then for this part right here, you can see they do have the LED light in the front. So that way when you guys are vacuuming at night, you can definitely see where you guys are vacuuming, which is pretty awesome. And then right here, they provide you guys a cable that you want to use to recharge the product. And then last but not least, we have the vacuum right here. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. It definitely looks very blue, and I actually really like it a lot. They do have the little logo in the front right here. Then you see right here is basically the battery life, where I show you guys the battery life on the product right here. And right here it has a little mode button, so I'm assuming that you change the different speed levels on here. And this is a button to activate it, so once you guys press it one time, so you can hear how powerful it is, and that's not on the high speed level. But once you turn it on, you can see the light pops on right here. But you basically want to stick the pole inside right here, which I'll show you how to do it as well in a second. And if you're curious about how to remove the dustbin right here, they show you guys the instruction right here. But basically all you need to do is go like this. You guys want to push the top part right here, just like that. So once you guys take off this part right here, you guys want to rotate the top part right here, just like that, to take it out. If you guys need to change the filter, you can just take it out like this very easily. So this is basically what it looks like inside right here. And this part right here is washable. But when you guys wash the product, you definitely want to make sure you guys remove this part right here first. So just like that. And you can basically just rinse this part right here and then let it air dry. And then once you're done, you can put this layer back on top. And then it's all set to use it again. And if you guys want to take off this part, you can definitely do as well. So just like that. And that way it's actually wash everything inside right here if you guys do need to. And once you're done using it, you can put it back inside. Put this one as well. And you can actually lock it inside right here. So the way how you guys lock it is by turning this way. If you guys want to unlock it, turn the other way like this to take it out. And when it's done, you can seal it back up and put the other handle back on as well. And then you guys all set. So they mentioned the dB on the product is actually pretty quiet. It's less than 75. And then for this vacuum cleaner, it is a 4-in-1. So you can definitely use like the whole entire vacuum, where I show you guys with the bottom part or you can change the different heads on here. So whether you guys want to use this one, or you guys want to take off the bottom part, you can definitely do that as well. But basically they mentioned how this product can work on both hardwood floor and carpet. It's probably more effective if you guys use it on hardwood floor, but you can definitely use it on carpet as well. And then in terms of the battery life that's on here, how long does it last? So one full charge on the product should last you guys around 15 minutes to 30 minutes of usage depending on which speed level you guys are using. So whether you guys are using a high speed or low speed, that's how you guys determine how long it actually will last. And in terms of the charging time on the product, it should take roughly around 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the product from 0 to 100. And the way how they design the bottom part of the vacuum is actually pretty nice because it's scratch resistant. So that way actually will not scratch your floor, which is pretty awesome as well. And in terms of inside the product, when I show you guys the filter, there's a lot of different parts inside, if you can see. So first of all, the outside layer definitely has that dust cup. And the next layer is a honeycomb filter. And the next layer is the HEPA wrap. And inside the HEPA wrap is the actual HEPA filter itself. And that HEPA filter is washable and reusable as well. So once you guys finish using it maybe like a few times, maybe like a week or so, you definitely want to wash it and rinse it to maintain the product. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to show you guys how it works in terms of charging the product and how to actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here with the product, let me show you how to install everything together. If you guys want to extend it, you can definitely extend it to make it longer. So the way how you guys do that is by pressing this button right here. So just like that, you guys can see how long the product is. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean the floor. You can see the way how to design the product actually stands up by itself. So you don't need the thing on the side to actually hold it on the wall, which is pretty nice. And basically the way how you guys recharge the product is by plugging in the cable right here to recharge it. So I'm going to show you guys how to recharge it first. So I want to use the cable that they provide for us right here. And you just want to plug it into the back right here. So once you guys plug it in, you can see the indicator light right here to show you guys when it's charging. So basically right now you can see the battery is not fully charged. It's 1 out of 3. So you definitely need to fully charge the product if you guys want to get the maximum usage on here. And when you guys are charging the product, let me test it out to see whether or not you can actually use it while it's charging. Alright. So it won't work when you guys are charging the product. But once you guys unplug the cable, you guys see that turns on. And when you guys turn on the product, you see the indicator right here to show you guys when it's on. You can change the different modes on here. So right here, there's a high and low mode right here. Let me actually show you guys how to use the different heads right here as well. So let's say for example, you guys want to use this one right here. You guys can take off this part or take off this part right here to use it. So for this test, I'm going to just take out this part right here. So just like that, you can attach this part right here. And then you start using it on your table or your carpet or whatever, just like this. And then same thing for other one as well. Let me show you what it actually looks like. So once you guys attach it on, this is basically what it looks like. So if you guys want to use it for like cracks or like corners where you just can't reach with the regular one, you definitely use this accessory that I provide for you guys right here. So I'm actually just do a quick test to show you guys what actually works with the little crumbs that we have on the floor right here. So I'm going to switch the head back to the original one right here. So if you guys want to open up the bottom right here, you guys want to put your feet in bottom, just like that, to actually push it back down. But let's test it out now and see what actually works. So you can see all the hair and stuff that actually caught inside right here. So it definitely does work and it works really well. If you guys notice when we turn on the vacuum, it's actually really quiet compared to normal vacuums. So that's actually really cool as well. So in the bottom right there, you guys can see when we turn it on, there's a light that turns on in the bottom like I mentioned. So that's actually really cool when it's like super dark. So that way you can actually see where you guys are vacuuming at night. And then basically when you guys want to throw out the trash, you just want to take off this part right here and put this on one side. And you guys want to take off this part right here. And you just want to open up the bottom part right here by opening up like this. And then pour out the trash like that really easily. And once you guys pour out the trash, you can close it back up. Then you guys are all set. And then if you guys want to use other brush head, you can definitely use that as well. So I'm actually just do a quick test of the corner one to show you guys what it actually looks like. So let's say if I want to reach these like corners right here where I cannot reach right here. I turn it on. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. If you guys want to use the brush option, you definitely can, but this is basically what the product looks like if you were to use different heads on here. All of them work really, really well. And you can see on the bottom of the vacuum, it definitely has that roller in the bottom, so it makes it a lot easier for you guys to move around if you guys need to. I'll come back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to install as well. I definitely love the option of how they provide you guys all these different like filters and different brush heads and also like the little nozzles, so that way it's actually reach different parts and clean off certain stuff like carpets, corners, like cracks underneath your sofa. You can definitely do all of that on here. And then probably one of the coolest things about this product is the fact that it has that built-in light. So when you guys are using it at nighttime, you can definitely see where you guys are vacuuming. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this vacuum, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality vacuum to use basically anywhere, like your living room, your home, your bedroom, even in the office. This basically works anywhere. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.